In this video series, we will cover some general definitions and widely used applications in modern electronics aimed at students, technical personnel in academic training, and self-learners. An electronic sensor is a device that detects and responds to changes in an environment or system by converting physical phenomena into measurable electrical signals. These phenomena can include temperature, light, pressure, motion, sound, humidity, and many others. The output from the sensor is usually in the form of an electrical signal that can be further processed, displayed, or transmitted for monitoring, control, or analysis purposes. Applications: Industrial automation for monitoring and controlling machinery and processes. Consumer electronics in devices like smartphones, gaming consoles, and home automation systems. Automotive systems for functions like parking assistance, collision detection, and climate control. Healthcare in medical devices for monitoring vital signs and other health-related parameters. Environmental monitoring to measure air quality, temperature, humidity, and other environmental factors. Electronic sensors are foundational components in modern technology, enabling a wide range of applications by providing real-time data and insights into the physical world. Object presence sensors. An object presence sensor is a type of sensor used to detect the presence or absence of an object within a certain area or proximity. These sensors work by using various technologies such as infrared, ultrasonic, capacitive, inductive, or optical methods to identify when an object is within the detection range. An object presence sensor may also be described as an object detector or detection sensor. The term proximity sensor may be applied to this component. However, in this video, a proximity sensor has the capability of estimating the distance to a target. An object presence sensor merely detects whether an object is within a preset range and does not provide additional information. An object presence sensor verifies the presence or absence of an object within a predetermined range without necessarily measuring how far away it is or how fast it is moving. The object may be described as a target. Types of object presence sensors. Infrared sensors use infrared light to detect objects. When an object enters the sensor's range, it reflects the infrared light back to the sensor, triggering a detection signal. Ultrasonic sensors emit ultrasonic waves that bounce back when they hit an object. The sensor calculates the time it takes for the waves to return to determine if an object is present. Capacitive sensors detect objects based on changes in capacitance caused by the proximity of the object, often used for detecting non-metallic objects. Inductive sensors detect metallic objects by creating an electromagnetic field and sensing disturbances in that field when a metallic object enters the detection zone. Optical sensors use light beams to detect the presence of an object when the light beam is interrupted by the object. Applications: Automation systems used in manufacturing lines to detect the presence of products or parts. Safety systems integrated into safety mechanisms to prevent machinery from operating if an object or person is detected in a hazardous zone. Security systems employed in security setups to detect the presence of unauthorized persons or objects. Object presence sensors are essential components in various industries, providing critical data for automation, safety, and efficiency. Object presence sensing is often used to verify the correct function of an automated system. For example, the placement of objects on a conveyor belt. It can also be used to count objects as they pass a sensor. Some types of security systems. Use presence sensors to sound an alarm if an intruder interrupts a beam of light. They can verify that a door or window is closed. They may also function as a limit switch to control the operation of a motor. In schematics, an optical presence sensor may be indicated with the symbol for an LED plus the symbol for a phototransistor, with one or two arrows connecting them. As shown in images this video, wavy line arrows may indicate an infrared connection. A photodiode may be substituted for a phototransistor, as shown at top right in the image. Optical detection. A transmissive optical sensor, commonly referred to as a throughbeam sensor, comprises two parts, a light emitter and a light receiver. The sensor activates when an object either blocks or reflects the light beam between the two components. Optical sensors are categorized into transmissive and reflective types, including retroreflective sensors. When the light source and the light detector are positioned opposite each other across a small distance, they can be housed together in a single unit, often featuring a slot, as depicted in section 2 of the image. This setup is frequently known as an optical switch, distinct from the solid-state switches utilized in telecommunications. It is sometimes referred to as a photointerrupter or photointerrupter. A reflective optical sensor also features a light source and a light detector, but they are situated side by side, pointing in the same general direction. When both elements are incorporated into a single module, which is commonly done, this setup is correctly identified as a retroreflective sensor. The sensor can be activated in one of two ways. 1. An object passing in front of the light beam bounces it back to the detector. The object should be inherently reflective, like glass containers or white boxes on a conveyor. Should have a reflective surface applied, or the light source needs to be strong enough to reflect off an object that isn't particularly reflective. This arrangement is illustrated in section 3 of the image. 2. A stationary reflector can be installed opposite the light emitter, and a detector located next to the light emitter is triggered when an object disrupts the reflected light beam. This setup is depicted in section 4 of the image. Retroreflective optical sensors, also known as reflective photoelectric sensors, are a type of optical sensor that detects objects by using a beam of light and a retroreflector. They are commonly used in industrial automation, security systems, and various other applications where reliable object detection is needed. As is the case with a transmissive object detector, the retroreflective type may be listed by vendors as an optical switch. Other terms used in datasheets include reflective interrupter, reflective object sensor, reflective optical sensor, reflective photointerrupter, op-pass sensor, and photomicrosensor, reflective. They can only be used in applications such as process control, where the position of a target is controlled and predictable. They do not measure distance. A single output is normally logic high and drops to logic low when a target is within range. The proximity sensors are physically larger, and most have an analog output that varies with the distance of a target. Components. Emitter produces a beam of light, usually in the infrared or visible spectrum. Receiver detects the light that is reflected back from the retroreflector. Retroreflector, a device that reflects the light beam back to its source, even if the angle of incidence is variable. Types of retroreflective sensors. 1. Standard retroreflective sensors. These sensors use a separate retroreflector positioned across from the sensor. They are suitable for detecting opaque and large objects. 2. Polarized retroreflective sensors incorporate a polarizing filter to reduce false detections from shiny or reflective objects. The emitted light is polarized, and only light that has been reflected off the retroreflector with a matching polarization will be detected. 3. Laser retroreflective sensors. Use a laser as the light source, providing high accuracy and long detection ranges. Ideal for precise applications where small objects or exact positioning is critical. Magnetic sensors. Magnetic sensors are devices that detect changes in magnetic fields and convert them into electrical signals, which can then be processed and analyzed. These sensors are widely used in various applications, from industrial automation and automotive systems to consumer electronics and medical devices. Types of magnetic sensors: Hall effect sensors, magnetoassistive sensors, reed switches, inductive sensors, flux gate sensors, magnetic encoders, squid sensors, superconducting quantum interference devices. Now we discuss their principles. Hall effect sensors operate based on the Hall effect, where a voltage difference is generated across an electrical conductor when it is placed in a magnetic field perpendicular to the direction of current flow. Magnetoassistive sensors rely on the change in resistance of a material in response to an applied magnetic field. There are several types of magnetoassistive effects, including anisotropic magnetoassistance (AMR), giant magnetoassistance (GMR), and tunneling magnetoassistance (TMR). Reed switches consist of two ferromagnetic contacts sealed in a glass tube. The contacts close, make contact, in the presence of a magnetic field, and open when the field is removed. Inductive sensors detect changes in magnetic fields due to the presence of a conductive or ferromagnetic object. They operate based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Flux gate sensors use a core material that becomes magnetized when exposed to an external magnetic field. They detect changes in the Earth's magnetic field and are highly sensitive to small magnetic fields. Magnetic encoders use a rotating or linear magnetic field and a sensor array to determine position and speed. They provide digital or analog output signals based on the magnetic field's position. Squid sensors, or superconducting quantum interference devices, are highly sensitive magnetometers that use superconducting loops containing Josephson junctions. They detect extremely small magnetic fields with high precision. They are used in medical imaging, e.g., magnetoencephalography, geophysical exploration, and fundamental physics research. Prepackaged magnetic sensing units are sold in many configurations for industrial and military applications. Here we discuss reed switches. As already mentioned, a reed switch is a magnetically activated mechanical switch. It consists of two metallic contacts in a small enclosure that is usually a glass capsule. Activation: the switch is activated by an external magnetic field. When a magnetic field is brought close to the switch, the reeds, contacts, come together, completing the circuit. When the magnetic field is removed, the reeds separate, breaking the circuit. Two reed switches are shown in the image. A reed switch exhibits a small amount of hysteresis because the magnetic field strength required to overcome the mechanical resistance of the springy contacts is greater than the field strength required to keep them closed. The most common everyday application for a reed switch is in an alarm system that is triggered by an intruder entering a building. A magnet in a sealed plastic enclosure is attached to a door or window, while a reed switch in another sealed plastic enclosure is attached to the frame, very close to the magnet. Other applications. Automotive industry. Reed switches are used for detecting the position of doors and hatches, gear selection, and other mechanical movements. Consumer electronics. They are used in devices that require the detection of open-close positions or proximity sensing. Industrial machinery. Reed switches are used in limit switches, flow meters, and other control systems, where magnetic field detection is crucial. Thank you for watching. We hope you'll subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.